great idea can get you ahead of the game, but a visionary concept can be a game changer. I'm Albie Benitez, and this is Game Changer.
There are men and women driven by passion, committed to find happiness and meaning. They strive to better our lives and make us aspire to help others. They are visionaries. They advocate events, ideas, technological innovations that make significant shifts in our thinking. To make a better future for us, they pursue game-changing invention. Journey with us as we tell stories of these visionaries and their game changers.
This week on Game Changer, the first Philippine-made supercar, the Aurelio. Meet the first world-class Filipina race car driver, Michelle Bumgarner.
Racing can be very tough, but it's also very rewarding.
And experience the first and longest-running professional racing school in the country. What's super fast, bright yellow, and has local car nuts going crazy over? A Ferrari? A Lamborghini? No. This car is an Aurelio, and its name sounds Filipino because it is made by Filipinos. The prototype Aurelio was designed by a 21-year-old engineering student and fabricated by a local fiberglass maker. It may be fitted with a Japanese engine, but the chassis, scissor wings, sexy curves, and everything else were all Filipino-made. It packs a 517 horsepower engine and a top speed of 290 kilometers per hour. It's low-slung with a steeply raked windshield. In all intents and purposes, it's a supercar. But most importantly, it's proudly Filipino. Meet the Aurelio. The Aurelio is the first and only Philippine-made supercar. It is the brainchild and passion project of car enthusiasts Brendan Aurelio and Sonny Garcia. What was then a backyard hobby for Brendan became a reality 5 years later. Arnel Marquez of Team Aurelio remembers when they were still putting together the first prototype.
Kami lang po ni Kuya Brendan ang gumagawa nun. Lahat po ng mga pati sa pintuan, hood, hindi ho ganun kadali na ginawa. Lahat po ng anggulo, nag-aralan ho namin.
It was trial and error at first. No stone was left unturned.
Lahat ng kinakabit, kinikilo. Lahat ng pwede matanggal, kinikilo. Kaya may alam niyo yung kilo ng sasakyan, point mo kung ilang kilo kalalabasan.
Jedan Favor, who is in charge of test driving and developing the suspension for the Aurelio, vouches for its safety. He even had to drive the Aurelio with only its tube chassis.
Dinitest drive namin to kung magkakaroon siya ng problema. Kailangan namin ma-develop itong gantong klase ng sasakyan na alam ko naman na siguro balang araw makikilala na rin siya sa larangan ng car industry.
He has taken it to the circuit, along the winding roads of Baguio and the Carmageddon in EDSA.
The following day, test drive ulit, syempre, meron kami mga ina-adjust na kailangan i-adjust sa kanya para maging stable siya sa daan.
In fact, he's the one who tested the top speed for the Aurelio.
Kailangan talaga ma-reach ko yung limit ng kotse para makita ko kung kaya ba nung chassis na tumakbo ng ganong katulin, na hindi siya nagbe-brake.
No doubt the Aurelio is a groundbreaking innovation, and it will surely put the Philippines on the car-making map. But it comes with a price. Scarcity of funds and resources are among the toughest challenges for the team.
Ngayon na lang dumating yung time na from zero, from drawing, na kaya nang gawin yung kotse dun sa drawing pa lang, and that's the game changer na may isang group or company na gumawa ng something na magiging proud din tayo mga Pilipino.
Apart from the tires, mag wheels, and engine, every bit of the Aurelio is Filipino. Everything is handmade and handcrafted at the shop. But more than being a supercar, the team has another plan in mind for the Aurelio.
We see to it na makilala kami as an everyday or Philippine road condition supercar. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang gamitin wherever you want to go.
And for those who want to know more about their story, the Aurelio Technology Resource Center is already in the works.
Our humble beginnings, our stories, our inspiration, yung tinatawag na design, process flow, yung mga stages namin. Bonus points, ipapakita rin namin kung paano nag-drift yung car, paano niro-road test yung car.
For car enthusiast Marlon Villarojas, the Aurelio is one for the books.
Ang Aurelio Super Car is a game changer kasi parang sila yung nag-open ng pinto na ang Pilipino kaya din gumawa ng supercar na eventually na makikilala tayo lalo at magpuproduce pa tayo ng mas magandang technology or may mga iba pang susunod sa mga yapak nila.
From toy cars, his collection has grown to include rare cars. But more than that, his passion also taught him many things.
Nire-respeto ko yung mga car makers, lahat ng klase ng kotse, mapa-local, mapa-imported. Gumawak tayo ng kotse, isipin natin yung buhay natin tsaka ang buhay ng ibang tao.
Car expert Chepe Feliciano of Car Porn Racing weighs in on the Aurelio.
It's all there. Yeah, they nailed it. It's just a bit rough right now. There are a few covers that are missing. You'd expect some plexiglass in places and some gapping around the panels. But that's normal with FRP or fiber body.
In terms of specs, he agrees that the Aurelio is definitely in the league of supercars.
Said that it pumps out over 450 horses. That supercar level of power. That would translate to, I said, 290 kilometer top speed. That again would be above the normal sports car range, would be 230, 245 for the normal sports car. Higher than that, you're stepping into supercar territory. So as far as local manufacturing is concerned, a big leap from the passenger jeepney.
And with the floodgates now open, Chepe is positive that a new breed of innovators is coming forward.
Yung ibang engineer at entrepreneur na may idea and may pera para magbuo ng sariling supercar, time na nilang lumabas at ipakita yung tinatago nilang projects.
From merely pimping their own cars way back in their younger years, Team Aurelio has definitely come a long way. And they plan to take the stakes higher by eventually going to the international stage. But even now, their story of struggle and success is proof that there is no limit to Filipino ingenuity. In the fast-paced world of supercar manufacturing, big European names dominate. With a few hundred years head start, they are too far ahead for us to catch up. But who says we have to? I say, let us take the road to innovation at our own pace and conquer milestones as they come. Up next, meet the first world-class Filipina race car driver, Michelle Bumgarner.
Racing can be very tough, but it's also very rewarding.
Midas Hotel and Casino, a contemporary, design-led lifestyle hotel in the majestic hub of Manila with fabulous views of sunset on the bay. Midas offers designer amenities and guest rooms and suites. supreme restaurant options for sumptuous enjoyment, event studios for corporate meetings and vows, and a casino with world-class gaming. Here at Midas, we make days into moments. Sparkling creativity. It's stylemanship by Midas.